If you can't focus for more than 10 seconds, it's not your fault. And yes, there's a way to fix it. You sit down to get something done. And 5 minutes later, you're scrolling Instagram, Googling how whales sleep, or watching some guy build a jungle pool in the forest. Sound familiar? We live in the most distracting time in human history. But here's the twist. Focus is a skill, not a superpower. And today I'll show you how to build it step by step. But first, why are we even so distracted? Back in 2007, the average attention span was 12 seconds. Today, 8. That's less than a goldfish. You've been rewired by apps, algorithms, and alerts, and your brain? It's addicted to dopamine. The more you switch tasks, the harder it gets to concentrate. But here's the good news, just like going to the gym builds muscle, there's a way to train your brain to stay sharp. Here's the deal, your brain runs on autopilot. Every time you reach for your phone, it's not really you, it's a habit loop firing. One way to break it? Try the 5-second interrupt. Count backward, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and act. Stand up. Close the app. Get back on track. You interrupt the loop and re-engage the conscious brain. Sounds simple, but it rewires you every time you do it. Now let's talk environment. We think we have a focus problem, but most of the time it's an environment problem. Cluttered desk? Cluttered mind. Tabs open? That's 20 mental to-do lists. Notifications on. That's war against your willpower. So build what I call your focus cave. Clean desk, no phone in sight, noise-canceling headphones, and just one goal on your screen. Use site blockers like Cold Turkey or Freedom. They take 30 seconds to set up and can save you hours of focus. Next, let's fix your energy. Brains aren't made for hours of non-stop focus. They're made for cycles. Try this. Focus for 20 minutes, break for 5, and after 2 rounds, rest for 15. It's called the ultradian rhythm, and it's how top performers manage energy, not just time. During those 20 minutes, go deep. No multitasking. One tab, one task. That's how focus compounds. Here's another trick. Simplify your goals. Most people stay distracted because they don't really know what matters. They sit down with a to-do list of 12 things and end up doing none. So here's the challenge. Pick one task that moves your life forward. That's it. Don't confuse being busy with being productive. One clear goal beats 10 random efforts. And if you really want to go hardcore, try a 24-hour dopamine detox. No social media, no junk food, no music. Just silence, journaling, walking, sitting with boredom. It resets your brain's sensitivity and makes deep work feel powerful again. You don't need a new planner. You don't need perfect discipline. You need small wins. You need to own your environment, manage your energy, and move with intention. If you can stay focused for just 20 minutes a day, that's 121 hours a year of deep work. Imagine what you'd build. Start your first sprint now. Comment, "I'm in," and share this with someone who always says, "I'll do it tomorrow." Let's get better together. Start now, not later.